Canada.
but via Sri Lanka. Via Sri Lanka.
Via Sri Lanka. Did he meet Hamsadut Maharaj? No. Hamsadut Maharaj is not there.
Did you meet Hansadutta Maharaj there?
No, he was in Berkeley. I met him in Berkeley. I didn't meet him there. No.
When is he coming?
Oh,
25 of March. He's coming here.
He, Urvaga says on the 25th.
but that is the zone of Hamsadut Maharaj, Lanka.
Yes.
But how did he go then? There? Yes.
His wife's relatives live there.
Oh, she comes from Lanka.
Yes.
Oh, all right. Toronto, Canada. There was
Subha Vilas.
Subha Vilas Prabhu, yes. And does he know anything about him? Subha Vilas Prabhu?
How is he? He
The
knows.
far-
He knows.
Huh?
Never come forward so he can.
Last year he gave a letter that I am coming with my friends to you direct. Does it suit you? Yes, you can come. I want to stay for some time there. Yes, you are welcome. But no place after that. Subha Vilas. He was the manager in the Rameswar state. Subha Vilas, or my manager
In Rameshwar state?
in the zone of Rameswar Prabhu.
No, he was managing in the zone of Tamal Krishna.
Tamal Krishna, yes. Now he has left everything. হ্যাঁ তো ওখানে দেখবার কিছু পাঠার ব্যবস্থা করবে এই হচ্ছে কিনা মাল
গিয়েছে জয় গোপাল গিয়েছে
জয় গোপাল তো পাগলা ঠিক পাবে
হ্যাঁ বলে দিলাম যে এই মাল আসবে যদি জিজ্ঞেস করলে বলবে
Bhavananda Maharaj told Parisevana that he was thinking that the GBC in America might have overreacted in relationship to you and the new sannyasis.
His goodness.
His goodness.
Also, this is a book that is written by Hari K. Swami.
Yes,
It's called the Varnashram Manifesto
yes.
for social sanity. For social sanity. Varnashram Manifesto.
But I can't read the main principles underlined may be represented to me.
Okay.
Then I can find it. At your leisure, you will underline the salient points.
All right.
And then you may produce it.
প্রিফেসটা পড়লে তো খানিকটা বুঝবি প্রিফেসটা দুটো ইয়ে থাকে ইন্ট্রোডাকশন
That is not mere social, but that has been accepted as the foundation of theistic life. Varnashram. Ramananda Sangvad, the beginning from Varnashrama. Then it developed. The foundation of theistic life is supposed to be Varnashram. But there also the form should be neglected and the spirit should be accepted. In this way, the progress, the form and the spirit, both. When they make much of the form, then that is mere social. And when they look to the spirit of it, then it becomes a dynamic thing, Daiva Varnashram. Form is also necessary, And the spirit within, that is also necessary, but that is more substantial than the form. So from Ramananda Rai, Varnasrama Charvata, beginning is with Varnasram, and then gradually. What is the aim of Varnasram? Krishna Karmarpan, then Karma Tag, then Jnana Mishra Bhakti, then Jnana Sunna Bhakti, then the actual position in the devotional school is taken, Jnana Sunna Bhakti. Otherwise, all superficial, all formula. কিছু বলছেন কাকে হরে কৃষ্ণ আপনি বাজার যাচ্ছেন
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমি বাজারে যাচ্ছি বাজারে যাবো একটু কলওয়ালাকে বলা আছে সে আসেনি আজকে 2-3 দিন ধরে বললো নিশ্চয়ই যাবো বলে আসছেন কি ব্যাপার কোথায় কি হচ্ছে না হচ্ছে আবার দেখে আসি
আর কাউকে পাঠাতে পারতেন তো যান দেখে আসুন কিছু ওষুধপত্র দরকার হয়তো নিয়ে আসবেন হরিচরণের যদি ওষুধ না থাকে একটা হবে খাটতে হবে তখন ওষুধের সাহায্য হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ Varnasram. Hare Krishna, Gaur Hari Gaur, Gaur Hari Gaur. Jai Gaur Hari Gaur.
And in the Shiva Loka is Jnana Sunya Bhakti? Shivata?
Shiva Loka. Not proper. The lowest portion of Shuddha Bhakti, the lowest, near the marginal region. Shiva says, Brahma showed Shiva, Karma Mishra Bhakti Brahma. He points out Shiva to be higher. Shiva points us to Prahlad, and from Prahlad Shuddha Bhakti begins. Prahlad is above Shiva. Shiva is the emblem of Jnana Mishra. Then comes Prahlad. From there, Shuddha Bhakti begins. But Prahlad also hesitates, and he recites his own example, that sometimes I want to oppose Sri Vishnu in Naimisharanya, I want to fight against him in some kalpa. So I should not be reckoned as Shuddha Bhakta. I have got some this demonic element in me, so I had the birth in the demon family. He says so. But still, in general, Prahlad is accepted as Shuddha Bhakta. And then above that, Hanuman, Shuddha Bhakta, Dasakta. Prahlad Shanta Bhakti. And the next higher, Dasya Bhakti, and the typical Dasya Bhakti in Hanuman. Then above that, Sakya Bhakti. And the typical in Sakya Bhakti is Arjuna, to Krishna. Then again higher, this Jadava and the Uddhava. And this way it develops. ন তথা মে প্রিয়তম নাত্মযোনির ন শঙ্কর ন চ সংকর্ষণ ন স্থির নৈবাত্মা চ যথা ভগবান। Then Parmibhva Parito Harit Priyataya Bhakti Jajur Jnanina. Jnanina means Chatusam. Tedbha Jnana Vimukta Bhakti Parama means Narada. Jnana Vimukta Bhakti Parama. Premaika Nishtha Stata, that is Uddhava. Tedbhasta Pasupala Pankaja Desa. Then the Gopi. Then the next type Gopi Radhika. And the Radharani holding the highest position. In this way, the gradation of devotion pure is rising up. Hari Krishna Gaur Hari Bol Gaur Hari Bol Gaur Hari Bol. Manu Bhajya Samutkirne Sutrasya Vastiki Gati. Kalidas says, just before his compilation of Raghuvangsha, the great sage Kalidas, his introduction to his own self. Here I am a small poet, and my aspiration to describe the great famous dynasty of the Surya Vangsha. Ka Surya Vangsha, ka Chalpa Vishayamati. How is that great dynasty, royal dynasty that we Surya Vangsha? I am an insignificant person. I want to describe their glory, what ahankar, boast in me. अथवा कृतवागदारे वंशीस्मिन पूर्वसूरिभि मनो बद्ध समुत्कीर्णे सुप्तस्य वास्तव. On the other hand, I may think it that the Valmiki, Vyas, those great personages, they have shown, they have chalked out some path, and I can work out in that path. So the example is very valuable. Mano Bhajya Samutkirne. The money, the jewel, and the jewel is pierced through by first and by the, what is that?
Needle.
Needle, that big needle. And then the thread can enter very easily through that. So my position is like thread. And the needle, the big needle, has already pierced through. So that is our position. The great Vaishnava, they have already weighed and given stamp what is what. And we are only like thread entering into that. Entering through the hole. So Sanatana Goswami, Kaviraj Goswami, Sukadeva Goswami, they have already given us the comparative study of the Vaishnava. And from here we are trying to follow that and to understand that how the gradation is there. Here is Uddhava, here is Gopi, here is Radharani. And from here we are smoothly going on the marking. There is again, he is greater than, he is greater than from here. Sutrasya Vastini Goti. Sanatana Goswami, when writing about Satyabhama, Rukmini, who is who, then he says, it must be my audacity that I am going to compare, draw the comparison among the twins of Krishna in Dwaraka. What audacity I have got. But my friend, believe me, I am not writing someone forcibly taking my hand and forced me to write. Sanatana Goswami said, I am a tiny person, how can I draw comparison between them and say this is, he is that, he is good, he has got this qualification, he has qualification. But someone enforcing me to write. See, that's with my hand, my pen. So Adhuksaya, that is, whenever we deal, it is the function of Yogamaya Sarupa Shakti. So if Jiva Shakti comes to interfere, to handle, to participate, then that higher potency must come and influence him. Only it is possible there, then and there. Otherwise, no. A Jiva cannot have any connection to deal with those Vaikuntha things. So always this should be kept in mind. So our dedication, our surrender to that potency, that is our qualification. That should be considered as our qualification. That to surrender to that higher potency and to allow her to work through me. That should be. Well, whenever we have to deal with that higher substances, then only, as we should surrender, we should ask to be utilized by the higher force. So surrender is the first quality when we are approach to deal with things of higher subject. Always this should be kept in mind. Do you follow? Am I clear? No. So we are helpless. And the surrendering is the only qualification that can help us to deal with things that are above. Super-subjective realm. The super higher I cannot be subject. The realm is super-subjective, and it is not a fashion of saying. Reality is this. If we are to face with reality, then we must have to admit this. The super-subjective. As a subject, I cannot enter there. Super-subjective means to invite the super-subject to work in me. That should be the attitude. So Mahaprabhu says, Jnana Sunna Bhakti, Saranagati, surrendering. Surrendering is to invite the higher potency to work through me. That should be the attitude of all devotees, surrendering, and to make himself an instrument of the higher potency. As much as that will come in, only to give vent to that, no coloring, no prejudice of his own. As much as possible, the current will come down and try to represent that, what is coming down. That should be our attitude. Gaud Hari Bol, Gaud Hari Bol, Gaud Hari Bol, Gaud Hari Bol. If we miss this point, this important point to hit, then we are undone. Prakrita Sahajiya. Then what will be the result? We shall muggling with the shadow. Shadow will be our subject. we shall fight with shadow. So, the life of devotion is devotedness. Devotedness, the degree of devotedness to the cause. The wealth is there. Wealth is his, only it is lent that comes down. It is his property, or in other words, it is the property of my Gurudev. Gurudev's property. I am using on his behalf. I must be a faithful servant to deal with his things. And he will say, this is my Gurudev's property in this way. Everyone in the succession. So this is the property of my Gurudev. He also says, this is the property of my Gurudev. In this way the succession. The opaque Guru and transparent Guru. The opaque Guru is to be rejected. Guru Brahma. He wants to say that I am Guru. He is Guru Brahma, not real Guru, Guru Brahma, who confesses himself that I am Guru. He is Guru Brahma. Atmanam Guru Bhagavati.
গ্রুপ গ্রুপ মিন্সটা বলুন গ্রুপ বললে তো সবাই বুঝতে পারবেন না
What you বললো? Who is confessing, who is his own confessor that he is Guru. He is Guru Brahma, Guru Dhatu, Bhagavati, who says that he is the Guru saying that I am Guru, confessing himself, Guru Brahma. And the real Guru, he is transparent Guru. Through him, the things on other side can be seen. He is transparent. And Guru Brahma, that is a barrier, hindrance between the transcendental and the mundane. Opaque. Haricharan, এই সিকি গ্লাস খাবার জল দাও।
This is the second time it's happened in 6 months. Second time.
গোল
So,
উল্টে গিয়েছে।
no.
হ্যাঁ
When Krishna took his Mohini avatar and Shiva was following him, in Srimad Bhagavatam they say that there was no issue, but in South India they worship an issue which is called Harihara Putra. Is this bona fide?
Who is putting this question?
Buddhi Yoga.
Huh?
Buddhi Yoga. Buddhi Yoga.
Buddhi Yoga. When has he come?
I've just come.
Today.
Today?
Last night.
Right. Then what is your question?
When Krishna took his Mohini avatar
Yes,
and Shiva was following him,
yes.
in the Srimad Bhagavatam it
Yes,
does not
yes,
say
yes.
that there is.
What is the question
The
underlying?
question is, in South India, they worship an issue as Harihara Putra, the combination of Shiva and Vishnu, as asking if this is bona fide. If there was an issue, there was a Putra from Mohini and Shiva.
What does he say? In South India?
South India, they worship the
Hari-
son,
Harihara.
Harihara Putra, the son of Mohini and Shiva. Is it correct or not?
Mohini and Shiva. This is the first time we traveled throughout South India. The first time this comes to me. And it gives me a suggestion that there is a class of Pasandis the followers of Shiva, extreme followers of Shiva. It is perhaps their created blasphemy. This never occurred. And if it is found in any Puran, Linga Puran or this Tamasic Puran, then also it should be taken as Mayavadam Satchastram Pachannam Buddham Uchyati, later created by some of the mischievous persons in that way. Pasanda Shiva. And so Ramanuja told, Bagrino Khadyamano Vinu Gachi Shiva Mandiram. It is better that a tiger will devour you, yet nevertheless you must not enter any temple of Shiva. No Gachi Shiva Mandiram. So for shelter. Don't go to take shelter in Shiva temple. Rather, the tiger may devour you. You will do less harm of Shiva. I have not heard like that so far. Rather, it is mentioned in Bhagavatam that Shiva was so much excited seeing that Mohini Murti. Mohini Murti was not a material one. Only Shiva wanted, Shiva was not present when Mohini Murti, Vishnu, distributed nectar amongst the gods and the demons. Shiva heard it afterwards, and he was so much charmed with the description of the beauty of Mohini Murti that he came to the place later on when all things have finished. Then Shiva prayed, if I could have seen that beautiful Murti. Then when he went to Narayana and prayed for this, then suddenly he saw that beautiful woman figure as Mohini just appeared before him, before his eyes, and he was so, and Shiva's wife was just on his side. But still, the wife in the side, that means the man must have some check, but he forgot himself that his guardian is there, forgot, and so much besides himself, he approached to catch her, but the Mohini Murti, that was a phantom, and that slipped away and then vanished. But Shiva was so much excited that the semen fell from him, and wherever those semen fell, the suvarna, the gold was produced thereby. It has been mentioned in Bhagavatam. But not any possibility there was of union between Mohini and Shiva. No possibility. And Vishnu is always Purusha, enjoyer, and not to be enjoyed anywhere. Intrinsically, substantially, he is always enjoyer, and not to be enjoyed. That is Prakriti. We have never heard that Vishnu took the form of women. He is enjoyer, not to be enjoyed. predominating moiety, not predominated moiety. Hare Krishna.
Maharaj,
Yes.
I was wondering that
Where have you found that?
In Kerala.
Huh?
Kerala.
Kerala.
In
Kerala where?
in
What place? Kerala.
it's all over Kerala. There are temples
Huh?
of Ayappa.
Then the ancient or recent,
They say ancient.
they say what you had your experience.
He's talking
Yes.
Ayappa.
Huh?
Ayappa.
Ayappa.
Ah,
Ayappa means
there's one particular,
particular province.
particular deity
Ayappa.
called Ayappa.
Ayappa.
You must have heard it then, at that time. Also,
Where is it located?
all
In
Kerala.
what town?
All Kerala.
Many places in Kerala.
Kerala.
Tamil Nadu, many people worship Ayappa.
Ayappa. Ayappa means the son
Son
of
of,
Vishnu and Shiva.
yeah. I also saw that.
The main shrine is
They're bogus.
Main shrine is
the main shrine is in Shabri Malay.
I did not hear. I heard only that they take Vishnu as the brother-in-law of Shiva. Because in Vrindavan from Yashoda, the twin, came Ashtabhuja Devi, whom the Vasudev took to Mathura from Vrindavan. The Ashtabhuja Murti, the sister of Krishna. Krishna was born and the Ashtabhuja Murti born. Vasudev took Krishna to Yashoda and took her son. So they say that Ashtabhuja Murti Katyayani, she was the sister of Krishna. And because Ashtabhuja is the wife of Shiva, so Vishnu becomes wife's brother, that is brother-in-law. In this way, they represent Vishnu, the extreme section that that takes Shiva to be the highest God. All sections of the Shiva worshippers are to be found in the south. All sections. Pashupat, I forget the name. Four sections they are divided into. But I never heard hitherto that such one child has been. But I found the name of Nijolingappa. Nijolingappa. Whose Appa means father, whose father is his own but who is his own father, his own father, Nijolingappa. He is father of himself. That is Nijolingappa. That is Swayambhu. He has created himself. That is Swayambhu. By itself of Hegel. He is by reality, by itself. Nijolingappa. Hare Krishna. Maya Rakati Mahaprabhu says that Sanatana Goswami that Mahishi Haran Kesavatar, Viruddha Vyakhyan, that is all imagination to suit some purpose. What is that word technically known? Mahaprabhu told, remarked. Asura Mohan. Asura Mohan. Just as Shankara was ordered that go and try to take away the general attention of the people against me, drew away from me. Lokan mad vimukhan kuru. That is, for the unity of segregation in a hospital, the more serious patients are taken away for the interest of the less serious patient. So this policy has been adopted, that the who are great offenders, serious offenders, more heinous, they should be secluded. They are all offenders, but more or less the most desperate should be separated to save the mild offenders. For the interest of the mild offenders, the grave offenders should be separated. So, whose disposition is more atheistic, they should be separated from the wavering, hesitating public. So Madhvim Khan Kuru clear that I am God. Preach that. It has been said like that. Lokan Madhvim Khan Kuru. What's the name you told?
Ayappa.
Ayappa. Aya means Arya. Appa means father.
Yes.
Ayar, Ar means Mahasaya. Aya means father. Pita Mahasaya. Ayappa, Aya means father. Appa. Appa means also father. Aya means father. Arya. Both Pita. Ayappa. Ayappa. মানে বাপের বাপ, something like that, father of the father, Ayappa, the father of the father.
Aya sometimes means big brother.
Many may come to this, Aya, Appa, father, that is father's father, Ayappa.
সামটাইম নাকি আইয়া বলতে বড় ভাই, বড় ভাইকে মিন করে আইয়া।
বড় ভাই তো আন্না, বড় ভাই হলো আন্না। আন্না আর নবী বলে না কি আন্না টান্না বলে নাম আছে, আন্না। Anyhow, Guru, any concoction, a curious concoction. Oh.
Maharaj?
Yes.
I was wondering, since today is Ekadasi, if you can tell us something about the importance of Ekadasi.
Ekadashi.
Yes.
aprakrito. Aprakrito means which is like prakrito. Super mundane, aprakrito, which is similar to mundane but not mundane. That is aprakrito, super mundane. The mundane color is there, so the word mundane is used. But we have to give warning that this is not mundane, though similar to mundane. So aprakrito. So we are told that Krishna Maharaj is very super mundane, so like mundane. Similarity which bears the similarity of mundane. So as we find here that by the influence of the moon, here in this world, everything by the influence of the moon, they from the heat of the world, or the Rosh means the watery portion in the body that increases in every place. In Samudra, in ocean also this Jwar, the ebb and tide, what is that? Ebb and tide.
Tide.
Jwar
High tide, low tide.
comes,
High and low tide.
high and low. So, in full moon and the new moon, in nearing both these occasions, there the watery portion is swallowed, is enhanced, and thereby the enjoying spirit is also developed. I am talking it from the lecture of my Guru Maharaj in Kurukshetram in 1927, 28, 27. The basis, scientific basis, that by the movement of the earth, moon, planet and the sun, the heat becomes less and the exciting rush, the juice in our body is enhanced, and thereby it increases the tendency of exploitation, enjoyment. So fasting is necessary to meet with that external movement of the nature. The fasting can save us from that peculiar reaction. So fasting has been recommended. And especially if one cannot fast at all, it is impossible, then he may take to some classes of diet that will give less cause for excitement. So anukalpa. And mainly fasting. Why? To check the senses. Because the senses at that time, by the natural flow, it becomes more intense, and the result is that he is excited and he wants to enjoy, to encroach on the environment. So this unfair encroachment of one's own self has to be controlled. This fasting has been recommended. This is one way. Another way, it is took to the center, by in such season, the Krishna himself, he also felt more necessity of enjoying. And when Krishna feels more necessity, the devotees, they get a greater chance of service. The time is very valuable for them. The Krishna wants to enjoy. And at that time, devotees should be busy to supply his things for his enjoyment. So much so that they won't have any time to prepare themselves. Upo Samipi Vasa. Upo means Samipi. Always to remain by the side of Krishna, for whenever and whatever he wants only to supply. They forget to taking their own food, etc., or any other thing. They want to be more visibly engaged for the service of Krishna, because in the time of need they will fetch more remuneration, that is affinity towards Krishna, more grace. So upvasa samipi vasa. And the secondary is to, by fasting, we can make our body dry. And so our enjoying spirit will be lessened. These two. The general explanation. Then there are so many things that everything is conscious, everything is personal. So Ekadashi has got her personal character, and she devotes herself for the service of Krishna with all accompanying them. And the service of Krishna engages her. And does not know any food or anything else. Does not allow others also in her group to take food and waste time, but always engagement with the service of Krishna. Underlying meaning is that. Am I clear?
Yes. Yes.
Why is then that we take some food and not other food?
That I told.
Why we take?
That are less injurious. Those that are considered to be less injurious, not more exciting. But in that way it has been. And also it is mentioned in another way in Hari Bhakti Vilas. Some peculiar things. They are fond of taking their shelter in those places which we reject. A pap. Pap means a type of sin that are very fond of taking their shelter in those trees and those places which we purely want to avoid. It is mentioned like that. Gaur Hari Gaur. Nidai Gaur Hari Gaur. Nidai Gaur Hari.
Maharaj,
Yes?
can you tell us also about the importance of Dwadashi? Can you tell us also about the importance of Dwadashi?
The importance of Dwadashi.
Yes. Ekadashi, Dwadashi, Purnima, Amavasya. So in the beginning, Dwadashi is more, in another word, we are told, another aspect, approach, that Ekadashi, Dwadashi, they are very favorite tithi of Holi. So in that, the underlying cause already explained then. But it is told that these two tithis, they are very favorite to Hari. And in those tithis, if we serve Hari, Hari will be pleased with a smaller service. So Dwadashi, Ekadashi, both are very favorite to Hari. So Dvadashi has been called more favorite but little lenient. So Ekadashi, only Ashtam Mahadvadashi, then there we can leave Ekadashi and we observe Dvadashi. Otherwise, Ekadashi observance is compulsory. Compulsory. Though Dvadashi is also honored and favorite of Hari, still Ekadashi has got preference for fasting. And only in the 8 cases, by the mixture of Nakshatra, Tithi, etc., the Dvadashi has got the preference over Ekadashi. That is the time when our small service will give us a greater result. That is the clue, the key. As in Ekadashi, in Dvadashi, if we serve, service is small, but we get some greater remuneration. Remuneration means his prem, priti, serving attitude, our earnestness. All these things will be enhanced in that particular season. That Hari wants to consume more from the service. So that is the fortune of the servitors. That Hari demands more service. So the importance of the servitors. At that time, during Ekadashi and Dvadashi, less service of Hari is more useful. That is the key. Hari Krishna. Gaur Hari Gaur. And in the approach of Purnima and Amavasya, that rasa, that the material eccentricity of enjoying energy comes to the highest degree. So check, in the beginning they check before full moon and new moon. It is checked nearby. Hari Krishna, Hari Krishna.
Javo. Javo.
Hari Krishna, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari. Nidai Gaur Hari, Gaur.
It is a microphone that works, wireless microphone.
Oh, in any place it may be placed.
Anywhere.
I am told that one button, this button was represented by America to Khrushchev, or from Khrushchev to American president. He was presenting this button to you, and it was there, and whatever they are talking of reported.
It is like that.
And in the Second War, I was told that one Japani half-mad sadhu, he was posted in Burma under a tree. The other madman begging and spending his days in some meditation and etc. But he had a peculiar type of machine, something like in his hand, detected. That was detected. And then it was found that he was a spy, a sadhu, but only what he speaks sometimes this hand watch for us. And that is transmitted.
They think that we Western Vaishnavas, that we are from the CIA. They say that we are from the
They are
CIA
of that mentality. Samashila bhajanti.
spies.
They are all a political mind. I was told that there was one leader of communistic thought previously, one Nipen professor. Nipen, he, when he came here, he also gave a lecture. And he told that I went to meet Bhavananda Maharaj. Swami Maharaj was present at that time. But he told you Indians, you don't you don't want to put faith in God. It is very wonderful. You first put faith and then you see whether he is or not. Beforehand you say there is no God, no God. But come to see God in a process that has been recommended, then you will know. So that gentleman told that professor here that I was not defeated by his arguments, but I could trace his simplicity, and that attracted me. The gentleman told. And I was told by another gentleman that he approached Bhavananda Maharaj, that we were all CIA, all these things. That we wonder that in India you cannot think it, that a man can exclusively devote his life for spiritual purpose. We have to see that in India, the land famous for its spiritual culture. So they are all, so it justifies our attitude of Guru Maharaj to approach the West. The days of slave mentality, the Indians or Asians, they are more or less hankering up, staring at European culture, civilization. So they are all slaves to that culture, scientific civilization. So they should be approached, not these people who are always hankering after the grammar of present civilization, which is found in Europe and America, in the Western country. So it is useless to approach these people, but rather we shall try to approach them. So they're all more or less political minded, mostly political minded. Can't see beyond politics. Politics. This body conception. Though land famous for spiritual cultivation, but this Kali Yuga just the opposite. The opposite. And so Mahaprabhu has come with the highest conception of spirituality, the highest degree of spiritual conception. He had to come to retaliate, to save the situation, the highest form of theism, a drop of the highest form of theism may be dealt with to these persons. Other medicines won't work. Only the highest type of medicine can work here. So in some other ages also men men have got real sense. They aspire after a birth in Kali Yuga, apparently so unfavorable for spiritual life. So very unfavorable for spiritual life, this Kali Yuga, but still Sarabgrahi. There are persons in any other Yuga where apparently environmentalists more spiritual. They want a birth in this Kali, the adverse position, that the highest degree is this atheism distributed here. Yugi Gunogga Sarabhagino, Kaling Sabha Jayantarja Gunogga Sarabhagino, Jatra Sankirtani Niva Sarva Sathu Vilabhati. Only by small participation into that higher type of theism, one can be fulfilled in all aspects of life. So, because the environment is unfavorable, our guardian is more thoughtful about our goodness, welfare. They are taking more care, more attentive to take care of us. Because the environment is so harmful. The guardian's eye is more vigilant towards us, and they are providing similarly for our relief. All political consciousness, politics. Many of CIGs approached me also several times, and I told them straight that no. I was told that Swami Maharaj was also asked by Indira, that they say that there are so many CIGs under your... Yes, maybe, that is your lookout. Swami Maharaj talked straight. It is your lookout. There may be so many persons come, but I say that I am starting really with dealing with reality and not with this politics or sociality, I can assure. But in such a huge crowd, some may enter, and it will be all business to find them and to punish them, and not mine. And Indira was very affectionate to Swami Maharaj, because when she was a child, she used to come with her father to purchase medicine from the shop of Swami Maharaj in Allahabad. Because the national medical shop was only in Bengal, Bengal Chemical. The first medicine was produced here in Bengal, and he was the agent of that Bengali, the country-made medicine in Allahabad. And Jawaharlal, because they were nationalists, so they liked the India production of medicine, anything which is produced in India, to encourage that industry. So they were customers to Swami Maharaj's shop. And Indira, as a girl, she also followed her father to purchase medicine from Swami Maharaj. At that time she was perhaps a boy, she was a girl of 9, 10 maybe. 1930, when I met Swami Maharaj, Indira was a girl of 12 at that time. So even from before, she used to come to her with her father to purchase medicine from Swami Maharaj. So 8, 10, 9.
9.
She used to come to Swami Maharaj and the only agent of the national production of medicines in India at that time. No Bombay production of Maharashtra or Gujarat, they began. Only Bengal produced first medicine. Hare Krishna. So Swami Maharaj addressed her as Indu, Hindu, the family name, Hindu. Hare Krishna. And also she told, I heard Swami Maharaj Para, direct, told, you need not come to me for this concern. You may send your secretary to me, that will suffice. She gave assurance to Swami Maharaj. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Gauri, Gauri, Gauri.